What's up, guys? Real quick, I want to talk to you about TedsWoodworking.com. Me and my wife moved into a new house, and she wanted an outdoor picnic set, and they're like $600–700. And I got all the tools, so I went online, I looked for, and I found TedsWoodworking.com. There's like 16,000 plans, and I built a picnic set. Right now I'm working on a shed. They're awesome. It's packed with great info, lots of pictures, easy to follow blueprints. It's not hard at all. And it was only $47, and I don't know if it's still $47, but it's awesome. It's worth the money. Check it out, TedsWoodworking.com. You won't be disappointed.
Before I bought the product, I did a lot of searching on Google, and I found a special discount link. I attached it below. I recommend you add this video to your bookmarks so that if you want to buy the product, you can get the discount very easily.